Hey guys, how you doing? So it's finally happening. I'm actually heading south for the winter. I'm leaving Massachusetts. I'll explain more about that later. So I am at Doug's house right now, just say goodbye to him, and he hopefully will be joining me in a few weeks. We have family down there that we will be visiting and probably picking up some work hopefully, and mostly we'll be staying in the van, but they also have places we could stay. But so I'm making the drive down there by myself. I'm not sure if I'll make any stops along the way, so I'm not sure how long I'm going to be gone. So I have everything I need in the van. Like usually I just fill up my shampoos and all that, but I had to bring all the big items too. So it's all packed up. I still have plenty of room. I'm just bringing my bike and a work table. I'll show you all that later. And Doug will bring his bike when he comes down. We wanted to bring all of our tools, so we had to make some sacrifices as far as space goes. So one of my main goals for this trip is to see how cheaply I can live. I really don't have many bills. So it's just a matter of how much I spend as far as gas and food and stuff like that. So I'm going to try to be very, very frugal and make my money last. And we have some ideas of trying to make money on the road. We're going to look into that in the next several weeks, so especially when Doug gets back down to Florida. So I'll let you guys know how the spending goes. Maybe at the end of the video I'll just put down what I spent, just so you can kind of have an idea. And so I'm looking forward to getting away from all this snow. I can't wait to hit the warm weather. So I will check in with you as I am on my drive. Well, I'm somewhere in Virginia at a rest stop. I'm going to stop for the night. And hopefully I'll make it to Florida tomorrow by the evening. I'm going to the Tampa area. So I'm just going to sleep in my clothes and try to get a little bit of sleep. If I wake up in the middle of the night or whatever, I might start driving again. We'll see. So it's like 42 degrees outside, so I've got the heat on the lowest setting, which is 8 degrees Celsius. I'll probably have to shut that on and off a couple times during the night if I get too hot or cold. It is very noisy here, so hopefully I can sleep. Good night. So it's 4:45 a.m. Slept pretty good actually, so I'm going to head out now. Hey, so I am in Dorches, North Carolina at a really nice rest stop. But I just got a notification on my Google Maps that there is a 42-minute delay because of an accident. So I think I'm just going to hang out here until that blows over instead of wasting gas sitting in traffic. I think it's like in the 40s right now, so it's not too bad. Looks like the sun is coming out. So just so you know, I'm not actually going in any of these rest stops. I am just stopping here and stretching my legs and using the bathroom in the van. I have all the food and water that I need, so I'm trying to just stay out of the public since I am coming from out of state. While I'm sitting here waiting, I figure I might as well clean out the van a little bit, sweep it and everything. It's actually pretty nice here. I open the doors and the sun's coming in. Beats the cold and snow any day. I'm gonna stick out like a sore thumb in Florida with all this salt on the van. As soon as I get there, homeboy gets a car wash. So now it says there's only a 16-minute delay, so I'm gonna head out.
Continue for half a mile.
I figure by the time I get there, it'll probably be gone. There's a lot less of a wait than it said. So last time I filled up with gas, I measured my mileage, and the last tank I got 18 miles to the gallon. That's pretty good on the highway. I try to keep it about 60, 65 just to conserve fuel.
drive south for 87 miles.
South Carolina. I'm looking for a rest stop so I can stretch my legs, and that flip-up door has been rattling for the past 100 or so miles. I need to just push it down tight so it won't rattle. This is the South Carolina Welcome Center. Looks like it's closed. That's weird. Looks like it's being renovated. It's so nice here. I actually took off my sweatshirt. I didn't drive very far, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make something to eat. I think I'll make the cheddar broccoli. Dino kind of died when I left him in the freezing cold van for a couple days. So I cut him back. Hopefully he'll come back. Looks pretty good. Get another meal out of this. Small meal anyway. Just got to remember to unlock this stove so the butane cartridge is disengaged. I forgot to do that last time. All clean. So I took the curtain down that was right there for now, just to try it and see. How do you think that looks? Do you think those straws look funny showing out like that? I wish I made them a little bit nicer looking. They don't slide out, so I don't have to worry about that. It's only 1:30, so I'm gonna hit the road again. I still have 7.5 hours left of driving. should do it. My first palm trees in South Carolina.
Welcome to Georgia.
So I made it to Baldwin, Florida. I'm at a travel center off of 301. There's a lot of cars here parked for the night. It's kind of a busy place, but you're definitely allowed to sleep here. It looks like there's other people hanging out in their cars. So I have 3.5 more hours to go till I'm at my destination. So I'm looking forward to a good night's sleep and get there at a decent hour tomorrow, so I have a little time to unwind and take a shower at my sister's and get a car wash, hopefully. All right, talk to you tomorrow. These trees remind me of Dr. Seuss, the way he draws his trees. Well, I just arrived at my destination. First thing I'm going to do is go for a walk. It's so beautiful here, and I am so stiff and sore. So I'll end the video right here. In my next video, I'll talk about there's a few things I would change in the van, so I'll share those with you guys. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.